Well, even though 2023 isn't completely over yet, we just got the YouTube year-end review report about our channel, and we wanted to share a few things with you about that.
Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple,
live free. And we got this report, and this is something new that YouTube didn't used to do. I think they did one last year, and now I've got one this year. It gives us all the statistics of what happened during the year for our channel. And when I saw that, and I started getting nostalgic, and I went back and looked at, and I discovered that the very first video that we put on YouTube was on November 17th, 2014.
Oh my goodness.
Can you believe that?
Oh my goodness.
That was 9 years ago and a couple of weeks. Can you believe we've been doing this for 9 years?
Wow. Wow.
And also we now have done 1,288 videos.
That sounds exhausting. Oh my goodness. Wow.
But when I stop and consider that we were doing one video a week, and then we started doing three videos a week. I don't know, 4 years ago? 5 years ago?
Like
I don't even remember.
Well, I know I've been doing Tea with Jesus like 6.5 years now, something like that.
Yeah.
And then we do at least 2 others, sometimes 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whew.
So anyway, that's pretty impressive even to me, and I never could even comprehend that we had done that much.
Yeah. I mean, as time goes by, they add up.
Yeah. So I wanted to just take a second and show you some of the numbers that YouTube reported to us. So here's the report, and we see that during 2023, we received 13,300 new subscribers, and our videos had 4.3 million views during the year. That's crazy. And also during the year, we uploaded 165 videos, and those videos received 38,000 comments from you guys. Thank you so much. We also received 330,000 likes on our videos, and this is the one that really boggles my mind. We had 51.5 thousand shares. That means that 51,000 times you guys shared our videos, probably mostly on Facebook, but also in text or emails or whatever. It's support like that from you guys that make it possible for our channel to continue to grow. So there it is, the amazing numbers from our channel, and that is all because of you guys.
Oh, it is absolutely because of you.
And we absolutely love you. We absolutely appreciate you. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing here.
Not at all. Not at all. I mean, the likes are sweet. The comments, oh my goodness, you guys are so wonderful. And the shares, wow.
Yeah.
That's so, oh goodness.
And all of those comments, how many was it? 33,000 comments? I forget now. I just said it, but now I can't remember. We read every one of them.
Yes. Yeah. If anything slipped past us, it was totally accidental. So we really tried to read everyone. If you're going to take the trouble to comment to us, we want to be sure and respond. Sure.
So we just wanted to show you those amazing numbers, not of what we've done, but of what you've done.
That's right.
And we want to thank you for your support.
Yes. And just wish you just such a blessed coming up 2024.
Yeah.
And thank you for just letting us be a part of your lives, and for you guys being a part of our life. I just can't believe the whole thing's real. It's pretty amazing.
Right. Yeah, we just sort of stumbled into this, and here we are 9 years later, going for it.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching.
Live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
Yes. And we love you guys, and just have a blessed time as we're celebrating the birth of Christ, or if you're celebrating Hanukkah, just have a blessed time. And we love you guys. All right.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.